Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use copyright-free music in YouTube Audio Library. It's very quick and easy. Just watch the video till the end. So here, we are now in the YouTube channel. Then, let's go to our YouTube studio. Click the channel icon, then click YouTube Studio. So, we are now in the channel dashboard. Then go to the left corner and click Audio Library. So we are now in the audio library. There's so many music here that is free to use. Just choose what you want. To check that, preview this button, and it will say that you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. So let's continue. If you want specific music, just click this filter button. And here's genre, mood, artist, and more. Just choose accordingly. Here, we have sound effects. And here, this is the start section. And that's pretty much it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.